Today we witnessed a holiday miracle right here in Las Vegas. We were standing outside making breakfast when we saw probably 10 motorcycles. And of course, we had to come find out what was going on. The Red Riderz, a motorcycle club, came to bless this family, the Kelly family, and their children with gifts. This club is a group of truly amazing people.
Give back to our community. This is our community. We have to keep our community healthy. And as long as we're part of it, we're happy.
They do a turkey drive, so they sell turkeys at Thanksgiving to raise money.
The monies we make off that turkey run there will actually support all this here. We support 5 families today, and anybody else that needs us through the whole year, we're there right there for them.
This year, the Kelly family was one of the families, and their 4 kids were given a whole bunch of gifts, just one after the other, and they handed them to the kids, and it was just so touching.
It reminds me of family, like that just because you're not blood doesn't mean you're not family.
In a time where you hear a lot of the bad news and the things that are going on, it is so nice to see this group, the Red Riderz Motorcycle Club of Las Vegas, come together and making a difference in families' lives. These are the things that we hope to share with people and we want to celebrate. And Dan and I truly were moved by what this group of people did today for this family. From Las Vegas, I am Patti Hunt saying have a great rest of today and an even better day tomorrow.
Merry Christmas!